Hey everyone, welcome to the Confident Dancers page, and if you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip-hop dance online. In today's video, we're gonna learn a fun and short pattern designed for beginners. So if you've never danced before, or if you've only been dancing for a short time, or if you used to dance and want to get back into it, this is a fun pattern to get yourself moving. This video is mirrored so you can follow along the screen as if the screen is a mirror. And the space that you just need a 4x4 space to practice this. If you're someone struggling to learn hip hop dance, don't know where to start, or just think you're too old to start something new, let me coach you personally, and the link to work with us is in the description box below. All right. Let's get started. All right, everyone, let's get into this pattern. And a lot of the steps that we're gonna do in this pattern are two-step variations. And this actually starts with a two-step. And so for the first 8 count, the two-step looks like this. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so all you're doing is just stepping 2 times with each foot, okay? So now the video is mirrored, starting with my right foot. We're gonna step out and then tap. And then the other side, step out and then tap the foot. Step flat foot, tap the foot, flat foot, tap, flat foot, tap, flat foot, tap. And when I say tap, you're not putting the flat foot down to tap, but you're only tapping on the ball of the foot and the heel is up. You're switching your weight side to side when you do the two-step. So you're switching your weight side to side. The same foot that you go flat, and then when you tap, your weight is on the flat foot, okay? So we're switching our weight side to side. So we're going to the right, then going to the left, going to the right, and then going to the left, all right? So let's put that together, 1-8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now we're gonna do the same thing again, but this time we're gonna add a clap. So we're always gonna clap on the even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8. So without the two-step, let's just do the claps on those even numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's put that together with the two-step. So we're gonna do the two-step and add the clap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? Let's do that one more time. Don't forget to switch the weight. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's put it together, the two-step, and then right after that, the two-step adding the clap. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add the clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now just for fun, let's do that one more time, both sequences, and add some personality with your clap. So if you're finding yourself clapping low like this, that's good in the learning process, but we wanna now add some different sauce to our clap. So now maybe try clapping big, clapping side to side. Let's play with that one time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bigger claps. One more sauce. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, saucy claps are fun. Okay, so now the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna walk to the side for 4 and then bounce for 4. I'll do both sides and then we'll try it together. So just watch. This is what we're gonna do. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna walk to the side and then bounce and then walk other side and then bounce. Okay? So I'm starting with my right foot, walking to my right, and let's try it slow. 5, 6, right foot first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the fourth step, I face you. We face the camera, okay? And then you're gonna bounce 4 times. Bounce meaning just bend the knees softly, okay? Keep both feet flat on the floor and then just bounce the knees. So let's do that to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce. Now let's go other side. This time when we go to the other side, I'm going to the left and then start with the left leg. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce. 4 times. Okay, cool. So now let's put that sequence together without stopping. 4 steps to the right, bounce. 4 steps to the left, bounce. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 2, 3, 4, and bounce. 6, 7, 8. Walk. 2, 3, 4, and bounce. 6, 7, 8. Cool? Okay, so this time we're gonna do this again, and now we're gonna add a clap. When we bounce, that's where the clap's gonna happen. And we're also gonna bounce on the even numbers. So slowly, this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna walk for 4 counts, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when we do the bounce, we're only gonna clap 2 times in the bounce sequence, but clap on 6 and clap on 8, okay? So let's try that slow on both sides. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? Okay, so for this walk and bounce sequence, we're gonna do it 1 time each side, no clap, and then do it again, adding a clap, okay? So we're gonna do that sequence 2 times in full. So let's try it together. Walk and bounce, both sides no clap. Walk and bounce, both sides with clap. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna walk. 2, 3, 4, no clap. 7, 8. Walk. 2, 3, 4, no clap. Now add a clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? All right, so now let's put it together from the very, very, very top. The 2-step, 2-step adding the clap, walk and bounce both sides, walk and bounce, add claps. Here we go. From the top, a 6, a 5, 6 to the 2-step. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add the clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk and bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. No clap. 6, 7, 8. Walk. 2, 3, 4. No clap. Now add a clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Okay, so now we got 2 more sequences to go. We're gonna step back using this 2-step variation. Okay, so this time, you know how we do the 2-step going side to side? When we walk back, you're leading your leg back and then finish that 2-step, leading your leg back and then doing that 2-step. So let me show you what that looks like and then we'll break it down. So 2-step walking back looks like this. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So every time you step, you're walking back. Step with the tap. So breaking it down, normal 2-step is side to side. The travel 2-step walking back, you're stepping in a diagonal. Okay? Step in a diagonal, tap the foot, step back in a diagonal, tap the foot, step back in the diagonal, tap the foot, and then one more time, tap the foot. Let's do that sequence one more time. So 5, step back with the right, step back, tap, step back, tap, step back, tap, step back, tap. And what's happening is I'm facing in diagonal instead of stepping back like this. So I'm always shifting my hips in a diagonal. Let's do that one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so one time, let's put all the steps together. 2-step, 2-step with the clap, walk and bounce with the clap, and then the step back, 2-step. So 5, 6, 7, just one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add the clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk and bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now add the clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. The last step in this sequence, you're going to do a cross step, and it looks like this. Starting with my right leg, I cross, open, cross, open, cross, open, 7, 8. Okay? So the same concept, how we do the 2-step with tapping the foot, that's exactly what happens when you cross, open. Okay? So think of it like this, cross, tap. So starting with my right leg, I cross the foot, it's flat, and then I tap the foot, open. Okay? So one more time, you would cross and then tap. The foot that taps, now it crosses. Cross and then tap. Cross and then tap. Cross and then tap. Cool? So let's try that one more time a little bit faster, and then we'll connect the sequences from the walk back. So 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna cross, tap the foot. Cross, open, tap. Cross, open, tap. Cross, open, tap. Okay? So now let's do it one time, taking a step, the 2-step walk back and the cross step forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The same foot that taps, you're crossing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to end it with a pose, or bringing our legs together. Okay? So let's do that one more time. And don't forget, the big note is as we step back, the same foot that ends with the tap, you're also crossing. So you do like a double dip. Let's try it together. 5, 6, walk back right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross the legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. And to close. All right. So now we're going to put everything together, and we're going to do this 2 times. Once as a review, the second time a taste bit faster. Putting together the 2-step, add the clap, walk and bounce, add the clap, 2-step walk back, cross step, pose. Here we go. Slow, 6, 7, 2-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add the clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk and bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, and bounce. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and bounce. 6. Add the clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Now walk back. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And with the legs together. Cool. Okay, so now we're going to do it one more time, going faster in this tempo. 1, a 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add a clap. Put some sauce in the clap. 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk and bounce. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Now add the clap. 1, 2 with the little sauce. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take it back. Right leg goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Hey! So now if you want to try it with music, go ahead and click on the link below to our shorts where we do this exact sequence with music. All right, thank you so much for watching this video and learning. Now you have some new steps under your belt to enjoy. We drop videos just like this every Tuesday. If you like what you saw, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and share this with others who would also enjoy. All right, see you next Tuesday.